Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can make an AutoClicker macro with Razer Synapse mouse and keyboard. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just open up Razer Synapse, and from here, navigate through your macros, click on the plus icon, which will allow us to basically set our own macros or our own profile. And from here, you could just basically name this AutoClicker by double clicking on the three dots and renaming this the way you want to. Now, basically from there, you want to set your mouse button into left click. And for action, it's going to be the mouse button. And for the delay, you can just set this to whatever you want to. So if you set this into something like 1 second, there will be this 1 second delay on each button clicks. So if you wanted to set it maybe somewhere between 0.05, the delay is going to be that specific number, which will allow us to basically press the button rapidly. From there, you want to click on the plus icon, which will allow us to set our own keybinds. Now, this is really important. Just select the keyboard button first. Right after, you have to click on the playback option. And then there's two options that you could do, which is to play while assigned key is pressed. So what this means is that if you hold click your specific keybind, it will play our macro. Or you could basically set it to toggle continuous playback on and off using an assigned key. It's just an on and off button for our auto clicker. And of course, from there, you could just point your mouse to whatever you want to, press your keybinds once, and it will actually initiate the auto clicker. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.